Hey guys, welcome back to The Well-Rounded Dude. We have a special treat for you today. I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite recipes, blackened salmon, only 3 ingredients. Stay tuned. So every guy should be able to at least make a few different meals. I've showed you guys how to make some amazing steak, some awesome chicken wings, and today I'm going to share with you my salmon recipe. This is probably the easiest out of the 3 meals, and you only need 3 ingredients. You need the salmon, you need some butter, some lemon, technically 4 I guess, and some Tony's, however the hell you pronounce this, Creole seasoning. So while this meal is perfect for just yourself, but it will impress a Foxy Dudette, I'm not gonna lie. And we're gonna get started, but first things first, the most important step out of this is wash your damn hands. Okay guys, now you gotta be careful because salmon is a delicate fish. We're gonna get ready to season it. You wanna season both sides. This Tony Chapcheries, however the hell you pronounce it, it is a little bit salty, so you want to be careful, but you want stuff with a little bit of spice to it, and this is perfect for it. So it's also going to make you sneeze. I've heard people describe this as if you ain't sneezing, you ain't seasoning. So you want to be generous with it, but you're not going to need any other salt. You want to flip your fish over. And repeat the process. So now we've seasoned our fish, we're gonna let it set for a little bit. You wanna make sure that your fish is room temperature and you want your seasoning to be on there for about 15 minutes minimum, okay? But we're gonna get our pan nice and hot. Now I always recommend a cast iron pan for anything that you do. It makes great chicken if you guys don't know, steak, makes an amazing crust, and it's perfect for salmon. So we're gonna get this nice and warm and we're gonna get our butter melted. So whenever you cook, you want to make sure that you're not on high. You just want to make sure that it's between medium, a little bit over medium. Wait for your pan to get warm, and then we're going to add the butter to get it all melted. So our pan is almost nice and hot. A good test, run a little water. When it sizzles like that, you're ready to go. We're going to add our butter in now. Butter in. Once the butter is nice and melted, you got a little smoke coming in, that's when we're gonna grab our fish. Remember, always set your meat away from you. What I like to do is I like to add a little bit of seasoning to the butter because we're gonna be basting here very shortly. Now we're gonna get ready to flip our fish. Remember, fish doesn't take that long to cook, all right? And as you can see here, nice and brown. After your flip, you want to add another knob of butter in there, another 2 tablespoons. Once your butter's melted, you're going to want to tilt your pan. Grab a spoon. And start basting. Take half of your lemon and you're going to squeeze it over your fish. Be careful because it's going to smoke a little bit. You don't want to inhale all that. So this is the last step. Don't worry about the seeds, you can get them later. We're going to give it one more baste and then we're all set. Our last little baste. And dinner is served. Alright guys, in the moment of truth. If you do this right, fork tender, right? Let's see. One of my favorite meals. Didn't that look awesome? Alright guys, I'm going to leave you here so I can go eat now. Please be sure to like, subscribe, comment, share, do all the social media things. Help me fight the YouTube algorithm. Ring the bell. Be sure to check out thewellroundeddude.com, and I'm not going to waste any more time. I'll see you guys later. Peace.